Hey guys, so recently on social media, I'm seeing a lot of reels and videos on boric acid suppositories. A lot of good information out there, but also some bad. So, what's the deal with boric acid suppositories? Are they safe to use? As a gynecologist, I can tell you that I have prescribed boric acid suppositories for a very small percent of patients who are resistant to the common medications that we use for yeast infections, or they have a very rare strain of yeast that is not going to respond to the common medications we use. As a patient, sometimes it's very confusing. Do you have a yeast infection? Do you have a bacterial vaginosis infection? Or do you have an STD? The best thing to do is actually to see your GYN provider so they can actually give you a correct diagnosis by examining you, doing a culture, running some tests, and actually figuring out what it is you have, because the treatment is going to vary. But when it comes to boric acid suppositories, it's not something you should just be ordering and using yourself without their guidance. Again, if it's used in a very small percentage of patients, and it can actually be fatal if ingested. So please do not ingest boric acid suppositories. It is only to be used in the vagina for a very small subset of patients. So make sure you're seeing your healthcare provider before using them.